Welcome to this quick video guide where we'll take a closer look at Livechat and the features that ensure a seamless handover to a human agent for those moments when real-time support makes all the difference. Before you start, check your status in the top right corner. If it's green and says online, you're ready to receive new chat requests. Click the status to toggle to away if you need a break. While away, you won't get new chats, but you can still respond to ongoing conversations. When you're online, new conversations will appear on the left side of your screen, accompanied by a notification sound. Inside a conversation, you can view the full chat history. On the right, you'll see a list of operators that are online, along with any details the chatbot collected before handing over the conversation, such as the user's name, email, or issue type, submitted via extraction fields. You can respond to user messages by typing directly into the input field. To add clarity or personality, format your text, include emojis, or insert helpful links. For even faster replies, use predefined text blocks, perfect for greetings, closings, or common responses. You can also add internal notes that are visible only to your team, ideal for sharing context or next steps without the customer seeing the message. You can hand over a conversation in a few different ways, depending on what's needed. If it's a standard or repetitive question, simply hand the user over back to a chatbot by selecting one of the available flows. This keeps things efficient and consistent. Need to bring in a colleague? You can transfer the chat directly to another operator instantly, even if their queue is full. Or send the chat to a group. All operators in that group will see it in their queue, and one of them can pick it up when they're available. You'll be notified as soon as a user leaves the chat by the notification in the chat history, so you can wrap up the conversation or add any final notes. The inactive chats will fade out in the queue. When the conversation is finished, click Close Chat to end the session. This removes it from your active queue. In the Livechat overview, you can see a dashboard that will show you live details. In slots, you can see the maximal number of chats that you can handle at one time, and the number of chats that are not closed will be highlighted in pink. You can adjust the maximal number of conversation slots in settings. You can search for other operators and use the toggle filter to include those who are currently offline. Each profile shows their status and the number of ongoing conversations, helping you decide who's best placed to take over. You can see how many users are currently chatting with the bot, how many are waiting in your conversation queue, and how many are still unassigned and waiting for action. This gives you a clear overview of what needs attention at a glance. The report's dashboard gives you a clear summary of key statistics. You can filter results by a specific time range and export them as an Excel file. Metrics include total chats, number of handovers, chats with and without operator contact, average queue waiting time, and a KPI benchmark to help you assess performance. In text blocks, you can define standard messages that help your team respond quickly and consistently. Create reusable templates for greetings, closings, common replies, or even specific support scenarios. To create a new text block, click on Create, then enter a name and the message you'd like to save. It's that simple and ready to use whenever you need it. You can create competence groups to route requests more efficiently, for example, by topic or department. Just click on Create, enter a group name, and select the relevant operators from the list. It's a simple way to make sure the right people handle the right conversations. In Settings, you can customize every parameter to match your specific needs. Let's have a quick look at the options available and how you can tailor the solution to fit your team's workflow. Start by defining your service hours, when your team is available for live chat. Set an out-of-hours message to let users know when they're contacting you outside of these times. Set a message for when no operator is available. For example, all agents are currently busy. Please try again later. Use the out-of-service times setting to define specific dates or hours when your team is unavailable. For example, public holidays. Add a message here to let users know you're currently offline. To manage inactive chats in a conversation queue, enter a message and choose after how many seconds the chat should be released and forwarded to another available operator. You can also define how many conversations an operator can handle at the same time. Queue messages let you keep users updated while they wait. For example, you're now in the queue. We'll be with you shortly. Just choose when the message should appear and add as many as you need. When too many users are waiting, you can set a queue limit. If that limit is reached, users will see a message like, "All our agents are currently busy. Please try again later." This helps avoid long waiting times. Finally, set a waiting time benchmark to track how quickly chats are picked up, helping you monitor and improve performance. Don't forget to save your changes, and you're all set.